textures, and how to recognize the skin texture and the hair texture, and why you should not, and why you should cut a certain way for that skin texture and that hair texture. For instance, if you have over curly hair, it's probably wise when you're on their face not to cut an Instagram. Because in 2 to 3 days, they're going to have a lot of bumps, and they're going to bump up, especially if you don't educate them on what to do. Some of the simple things for over curly textures to do. Educate your clients on, hey, take a hot towel, put in the microwave for about 30 seconds, open the pool. And let the over curly hair come out of the pores. If you have sensitive skin, if you have over curly hair and sensitive skin. But a lot of times, we don't know. Who knows about pseudofolliculitis? Pseudofolliculitis? Right. I mean, I'm just trying to spit some knowledge while we're here. The reason I want to talk about pseudofolliculitis is because it's something that happens often, and we just, ah, man, he's straight. Pseudofolliculitis is those little bumps on the back of the neck. I got to heal it myself. But what happens is a lot of people don't know what happens when you're digging into somebody's back of the neck and you get those bald fades. They start with the bald fades. Barbers, be careful. If you bald fading somebody, you're taking that weight and you're raising somebody's neck all the time. Now we got bumps back here. That's our fault. That's not the client's fault, because the client is just going to do what they do. They don't wear a shirt with a collar on it. They don't wear a jacket with a collar on it. They don't go play ball. They're going to do whatever they do. It's our fault to educate them. I don't care if you're a barber instructor or not. You don't have to be. What you have to be is an educator. You have to be able to tell your clients what it is that you do. Okay? Couple more facts with you before we get about it. Now, here's the Raw Senior today. The Raw Hero. The Raw Detailer. And a great razor and a great barber. Let me tell you something personally why I chose Raw. And it had nothing to do with endorsement deals, none of that stuff. Y'all can say what y'all want. Don't make any difference. Let me tell y'all this one fact. Raw clippers cut very well, and they're cheap. Let me drop my theory. This is my theory. They're like they cheap. Yeah, they cheap. They don't cost much at all. Now let me tell you what I do with my dogs. Every quarter, that means every 3 months, I throw them in the garbage and open up a new pair. And use a whole brand new pair. It don't cost nothing. Where everybody I'm gonna go use this. I've had this clipper for 10 years. So you got 10 years of germs built up in there? Let's be 100 here. Let me ask y'all a question. If we went to a doctor's office and a doctor did the same thing that we do our clients, we would have beat a doctor's behind. Did y'all hear me? Let us walk in a doctor's office and he grabbed the same needle and put it in you that you saw him stick on somebody else. Now, can I switch clippers every client? No. I'm only gonna let my clippers build up for so long. These gotta go. Get out of here. There's some colors on this blade I don't even like no more. I can't even get this color. Bye. Bye, Felicia. Clippers out of there. I'm serious. Think about that. I'm not here to try to create more revenue for any particular company. I'm just telling you how to create more revenue for yourself and how to say something. Hey, I'm on this tier. This is why I charge $40 a cut. This is why I charge $50 a cut. This is why if you see me after 7 o'clock, I'm going to charge you $100. Why? Because you already got an extra pair sitting in your cabinet. Because there's no stress. I'm telling y'all, be a part of the revolution. Help create the revolution. I'll sit back after stuff start happening and be like, dang, don't slow down. Don't slow down. And I love everybody for, you know, when people come to me and they say, hey man, you do tell us this, and thank you. I love you, thank you, I appreciate you. Remember love. But, don't wait. JB. Nope. We ain't going. Nope. You shouldn't have looked this way. You shouldn't have looked this way, brother. Hey, this is the celebrity barber, JB in the building. I just got a shot. You got a shot on no? You get $8. I ain't going. You should have walked up here when I was on the stage. Hey, this is one of the biggest celebrity barbers in the building. He's been on every TV set, every movie you can just about imagine right here. This brother right here. He playing a humble role, and that's what you want to do. You always want to have guys. You want to have the confidence to do what you can do, but you always want to be humble, to always absorb knowledge, to always change, to always see something change, predict the change, and switch with the change. Become a part of the change, okay? So look, where we at? So we almost done with this cut. I had to have somebody cutting because if I was just up there talking, y'all would have been walked away. But they ain't had nothing to listen. They ain't had to look at from time to time, be like, oh man, dude up there getting down. Oh, he kind of straight, man. He up there getting it crispy. He getting it right. And y'all would have been walked away. This stuff I'm talking about is great. But what helps it out is when somebody's cutting too, like, yeah, my man up there getting down too. So I hope you guys are absorbing the knowledge. I hope you guys are absorbing what's happening in our barber industry. I want you guys to embrace it. Grab it with both hands. Learn how to work with it. Learn how to use it. Learn how we're going to make the music industry and the hair industry go together. Once again, give it up for Capitol Records. My man Jason Griffiths in the building. I'm Alan Styles, DJ All-Star, each and every day, Power 92, 12 o'clock, the lunch mix. Y'all can check me out on the weekends at 11 o'clock. I just be mixing all the time, mix. I produce records. I got a young artist by the name of Uni Marie who working on her project. And we'll see y'all soon. Let's have fun in the barber competition. We love y'all, Barber Love, McCoy's Barber College. Get your $1,500 or we will be to see you.
Give it up for the barber.
You hear me? Get your $1,500 and we'll be to see you. Yeah, I said it.
Hey, yo, on the side.
What's your Instagram? What's your contact?
All right, all the models. We're about to announce this category to come up.
I'm sorry, you can contact me on the Instagram at DJ All-Style on Instagram. At DJ All-Style, ALLSTYLE. Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, all of the above.